Welcome to Paysley. All the payment options you need in one payment solution. In this tutorial, we will show you how to invoice your customers or send a payment request. You can attach any invoice or document to a Paysley payment request, or you can use Paysley's invoicing management system to generate invoices for you automatically. Log into your Paysley dashboard. Click on your email address at the top right of your screen, and then select Invoice Creator to access your invoice configuration screen. Although you will have the option to select the text and email message when creating a payment request, setting the default message will make sending invoices even faster. Toggle the switch to Yes if you are going to create product and service-based invoices. Select your preferred invoice number generator. If you choose to, you can add additional information to the body or footer of your invoices. Use the tags to automatically add information, like your customer's name and the amount payable, to the information. Now let's send a customer an invoice. From the left navigation bar, select My Invoices and then click Create New Invoice. Start typing the customer's name in the customer data field and select the customer from the auto filter options. You can also add a new customer if the customer is not on your customer database. Toggle the switch to Yes if you want to select products and services from your inventory. Start typing the product or service name in the data field and select the product or service from the auto filter. You can add a reference number, select a due date, select the terms, add a description, and select a tax profile if applicable. To proceed, click the Next button. Click the Message Template field to display your available messages. Choose your preferred message if you do not want to use the default message. Select a phone number if you do not want to use the default phone number to send the text message, and indicate how you want the invoice or payment request delivered. Toggle the shipping information switch to Yes if you want the customer to complete shipping information on the payment page. If you activate auto invoicing, Paysley will automatically generate and send the same invoice at the time you specify, every month until you cancel the invoice. Select whether you want your customer to receive a payment receipt, other than the payment confirmation when they make payment. Paysley will always generate and attach an invoice when sending a payment request. You can select not to attach an invoice or attach a different document. You can now save the invoice and payment request and send later, or save and send it immediately. Your invoices and payment requests are listed in your My Invoices section. Click on the arrow icon to view the detail of your payment request. You can also access a variety of options by selecting the Actions icon. You can edit the payment request, download the invoice, pay the invoice using the virtual terminal, resend the request, or delete. As soon as your customer makes payment, the status will change to paid. As always, you can ask for help by emailing us at support@paysley.com.